2026 is here, and the market's heating up with AI exploding and interest rates finally starting to cool off. You're probably wondering, which stocks can actually help me grow my money this heat and which ones are just hype? In this video, I'm breaking down 7 powerful stocks analysts are obsessed with right now, names that could turn even a small $1,000 position into something way bigger over the next few years. If you play it right, stay with me till the end, because how you build your portfolio matters just as much as which stocks you pick. What's up? This is Finance Flash. And if you're serious about building wealth in the US without needing to be rich, already you're in the right place. This video is not financial advice. It's education only, so always do your own research and talk to a professional before investing. Real money. That said, these are real Wall Street-backed ideas that work great with fractional shares on apps like Robinhood or Fidelity, even if you're starting small. If you're planning to invest in 2026, hit that like button and subscribe, because this is your year to get intentional with your money. Let's kick it off with the monster in the AI space, NVIDIA. This isn't just another chip company. NVIDIA is literally the engine behind the AI revolution, powering data centers, language models, and all the crazy new tech tools everyone is talking about. Analysts see strong upside from here because demand for AI chips and data center power keeps exploding. But remember, the stock can be volatile. So think long-term and don't freak out over short-term swings. The good news is, thanks to fractional shares, you don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars per share. You can start with a small amount and slowly build your position over time. Next up is Amazon. And no, it's not just about online shopping anymore. Amazon Web Services is one of the most profitable and powerful cloud and AI platforms on the planet, quietly printing cash in the background while the retail side recovers. Many analysts have price targets that assume solid growth from Oz, advertising, and a rebound in e-commerce as the economy stabilizes. If you want a mix of growth, brand power, and long-term dominance, Amazon sits right at the center of how the digital economy runs. Now let's move to healthcare with Eli Lilly. This company is leading in high-demand treatments, including blockbuster weight loss and diabetes drugs, and analysts expect its earnings to grow strongly over the next few years. That combination of growth plus a big defensive industry makes it attractive for investors who don't want to be 100% in tech. It's not cheap, but you're paying for innovation, patent power, and a business that can stay relevant for a long time. Let's rapid fire a few more names that can help you diversify without overcomplicating things. Meta Platforms has shifted from just social media to a serious AI and advertising machine, and its cost-cutting plus ad growth has impressed analysts again and again. Taiwan Semiconductor sits at the heart of the global chip supply chain, making the advanced chips needed for smartphones, AI, and more. So, when the world needs more computing power, it often flows through them. Then there's Pagaya Technologies, a smaller fintech name using AI to help lenders make smarter decisions. Higher risk, higher potential reward, and something to look at only if you're comfortable with volatility and digging deeper into the company. To balance out all this growth, it's smart to have at least one boring but beautiful stock like Procter & Gamble. This is the type of company that sells everyday products people buy, no matter what's happening in the economy. Things like cleaning products, personal care, and household essentials. That stability, plus a steady dividend, can help smooth out your portfolio when the market gets choppy. Think of it as the calm anchor that lets you sleep at night, while your higher growth picks run in the background. Here's how you can put this all together without overthinking it. Instead of betting everything on one stock, you might split your money roughly between growth, healthcare, and stability. So AI and tech names like NVIDIA, Amazon, Meta, and TSM. Healthcare strength like Eli Lilly, and defensive dividend payers like Procter & Gamble. Use fractional shares on your brokerage app. Set up automatic weekly or monthly investments, and give yourself a 5+ year time horizon so the power of compounding and market cycles can work in your favor. Track your positions on tools like Yahoo Finance or within your app, but avoid checking them every hour. Your goal is long-term growth, not short-term trading stress. Now it's your turn. Which of these stocks are you most interested in for 2026? AI, healthcare, or the stable dividend side? Drop your pick in the comments and tell me why. If this helped you feel more confident about where to start, tap like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next video is all about the exact money moves you should make before the next quarter to keep your finances moving in the right direction. This is your year to stop guessing and start investing with a plan.